Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shushmita and today's video is all about creating a nude look which you can see right here. And I just love this look and so easy peasy. So watch this video till the end, and without any further ado, let's just begin the video. So before starting my makeup, I'm just going to use this Pond's light moisturizer to moisturize my face, and it's a good one, you guys. I just love it. It gets absorbed in your skin so quickly and does not make your skin look oily or greasy, plus keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized for the longest time. I know they have one more variation, that gel one, but I could not find it anywhere on the local shops, but that's available online, I guess. And now I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. It's a good one, but if you have large open pores, then this is not the good one for you because it does not blur out your pores completely. But since I have smaller pores, so it's completely fine for me. And primer makes your makeup long lasting. And now I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm just taking a pump of it and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face and neck too with the help of my finger. Don't forget your neck, guys, because if you forget it, it's gonna look like your face is different and your neck is totally different. So make sure you apply foundation over your face, and I'm just going to blend this with a beauty blender. This foundation is so good, you guys, and it gives you light to medium coverage. And now I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So this concealer is also from Maybelline Fit Me and my shade is medium 25. It's a lightweight concealer. It does blend out very well, and basically we need concealer or use concealer to the areas where we feel like we need to hide them, and concealer also gives some kind of highlight to our face after using the foundation. And I'm using it over my lids also so that my eyeshadow will be a bit popping, and I'll be using this concealer over my nose also to make it look a bit highlighting. And now I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend the concealer. And now I'm going to use this contour palette, and first I'll be using the banana powder from this palette, and this powder is so good, you guys. It sets your makeup so well and sets your concealer basically so well so that it won't crease and make your makeup look flawless and long lasting. And now I'm going to use the contour shade on my cheeks, some on my jawline and some on my forehead and nose too. I'll be using it on nose to make it look a bit smaller, you can say, and then for on my nose to give it a shadow effect, and then on my jawline and on my forehead to make them look more sharp, because that's what contour does. It like make your features more sharp. And after that I'll be just blending it with the beauty blender. And yes guys, one thing, when you blend the concealer or corrector or anything, just take time while blending it and just blend them very patiently, because that's gonna decide how your makeup will look after at the end. And now you can see how well it blended. And now I'm just using the banana powder under my contour to make it look highlighting and more sharp. And I'm just using the banana powder on the areas where I use the contour. And that's it. And now I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is also from Wet n Wild, and its name is Rose in the Air palette. And I just took the flat brush and I'm taking the gray transition shade and just using it on my transition. And in the brush I had already some colors, that's why it looks more darker, but it isn't in real. And after that I took the brown shade from the same palette and just going over the transition of mine again. And then again I took that transition gray shade to make it look more neutral, you can say, because I thought that brown one made it more popping. And after that I took the flat brush and took the white shade from this palette and I'm just dabbing it over my eyelids. You don't have to blend it, just dab that eyeshadow over your eyelids. It's not eyelids. And for the lower lash, I'm just taking both the shades, that brown one and that white one, to make it on my lower lash. And I'm just blending it, and just blend your eyeshadow so properly so that it will look good and get merged together. And since it's a nude one, so I'm not adding any sparkle or any highlighting effect under my eyes or on my eyes. I'm just keeping it as nude as I can. I guess with that our eye look finishes, and it's so easy and quick, you guys. This look actually didn't take much time of mine. And now I'm just using a brow pencil from Wet n Wild, and my shade is brown one, and just using the spoolie to brush off my hair, like I'm brushing the hairs upward. And after that I'm just using the pencil side, you can say, to fill in my brows. And you can see I'm just filling it. I'm not going any over dramatic or anything. I'm just filling my gaps and as my brows are, so that it will look natural also, and yet it will be looking more bushy, you can say. And while doing your brows or anything, just be patient, little patience, क्योंकि अगर आप जितने धीरे धीरे करोगे और अच्छे से करोगे, आपका मेकअप उतना ही अच्छे से ब्लेंड होगा और टर्न आउट होगा अच्छे से. So while doing makeup, be patient. And now I'm just using the eyeliner from Stay Quirky, and now I'm using this. Actually it's a lipstick, kind of nude peach one, you can say. So I'm just using it as a blush for today. But one thing I would like to tell you guys, that when you're using any kind of lipstick as a blush or a liquid lipstick, liquid blush, make sure you blend them immediately. Do not let them sit on your face for any time, because after that it's gonna be very hard for you to blend. Actually from this whole makeup, blending that lipstick took my almost half of the time. And now I'm just using the highlighter, some on my corner of my eyes, but you can see I literally took the smallest of the highlighter because I did not want it to make it look more popping, and some on my eyebrows, you can say, just on the highlighting points. And I'll be using some highlighter on my nose, bridge of my nose, and some on my cupid bone, and some on my chin. I like to use the highlighter with this tiny brush of mine, because I feel with this it blends so well, and I'm able to put as much highlighter as I want. And now for the cheek point, I'm just using this fluffier brush from my box, you can say, and I'm just using the highlighter on my high points of the cheek. I love to apply highlighter with this fluffier brush, because I kind of feel like ये बहुत अच्छे से अप्लाई करता है. And this highlighter, oh my god guys, I cannot rave about it. ये इतने अच्छे से blend हो जाता है स्किन में, and it kind of make it look like a natural glow from your own skin. और ऐसा नहीं लगता है, इसमें चंकी नहीं है कि ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ आपने कुछ अप्लाई किया है. So yes, I'm just using this two lipstick pencil and that liquid lipstick. So that's it guys, this is how my nude makeup looks like. And I pretty much love this look. It's so nude, and since the festive season is coming, you can easily wear this look for the day timing. And if you want to wear this kind of look for the night, you can easily wear it. And we all know that when it comes to nude, we all crave for nude, and our love for nude is something which we can't describe in words. And personally, I'm a big fan of nude. Anything which has nude in it is my favorite, and currently this look, I'm so in love with it, you guys. and I didn't open my hair because I liked it the way it is right now, so I just kept it like this. And you can see I just used little bit highlighter, and that contour and blush was totally mixed together, and it gives such a amazing like look together, finished look together. And some of the acne scars of mine are there, and these are the moles which I had already seen in my previous video, that I have moles also which look like a acne scar kind of thing. But this is the thing, and my lipstick, my eye look, the whole look goes together, and it's such a amazing yummy nude look, I can say, you guys. And yes, do create this look and rock your puja season, like festive season. And there are so many makeup tutorial coming, because since festive season on the corner, and we all are looking for some makeup tutorial and easy and peasy which we easily can create. And even a beginner, if you're a beginner who love makeup but haven't tried any of it, like no makeup till yet, you should definitely watch the video of mine. I'll literally let you guys know how even a beginner can create such look with so much of ease. And yes, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys will like this look and love it, and do try this look and let me know, guys, whether it goes well on your face or not. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down some lovely comments. I love to read them out. And stay tuned. I'll see you guys on next Saturday. Till then, bye bye.